Now for the Verage skincare collection. So the Verage is an exclusive system that delivers results that you can see. So it has, again, a lot of essential oils, the certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils, emollients, plant extracts. And again, you've got your lactic and citric acids in there, in the cleanser, mineral oils in the toner, skin conditioners, again, your essential oils. So it is a 4-step program. So the collection comes in a kit, the Verage Skin Collection. In there you'll get your Verage cleanser, toner, soluble hydrating cream, serum, and your Verage moisturizer. Now if you are already a member of doTERRA, you can purchase this through your loyalty rewards program for around $100. So it is really, really cost effective because this will last you for approximately 3 months if used daily and even twice daily. So it's a very, very versatile and very cost effective product. If you do it through your loyalty rewards program, you will get free product points back and you will get your shipping back in free product points. If you're new to doTERRA and you are looking to buy any of these products, you can purchase them through whoever has introduced you to the products, or if you're new to them, you can message me and I can help you set up your own wholesale account that you will pay the same price as I do for these products. So the Verage cleanser is a really, really beautiful cleanser. This is probably by far my favorite range. I do love a lot of the other ones, but this, just for how versatile and how great it is, I really, really love it, and particularly how affordable it is. So skin type for the Verage, so skin types that would be using this would be normal to dry or combination. So it will leave your skin quite clear and nourished and hydrated, and it can give a lot of confidence to people because those fine lines that you see on your skin, approximately 80% of them are actually just dehydration. So because it is super, super hydrating, it can just give you that confidence that, you know, those anti-aging results that gives really, really effective glowing complexion. So to use daily, you will promote smooth, resilient, glowing skin. It is just a fantastic range. I'm really, really a fan of this. And again, just using it daily for best results. So just to recap, so the Verage is for normal to dry or combination skin. Again, if you're not sure on your skin type, please message me, reach out, and I will do your free skin analysis so you can determine what skin type and what range is best for you. See you in the next video.